You are now watching Doorbell News.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Looks like he's creeping around.
You, my boy. I can see you, my boy. I can see you, my boy. I can see you, my boy. Go somewhere else. Caught his ass. Caught his ass.
North Las Vegas, Nevada. We got a doorknob wiggler here. Rochester, New York. A few Kia boys are seen taking a car. Check out that mask. Las Vegas, Nevada. A homeowner shared this footage of a burglar stealing his Ducati motorcycle. Las Vegas, Nevada. Check her out. She's in an elderly community and she's going around snagging packages. Shame on you. Redmond, Washington. Looks like we got a bear family here. They find this cooler and they take off with it. Hey, come back with my cooler. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Yeah, those Kia boys. Yeah, they're known for driving reckless. Yeah, they like to go around stealing older model Kias and Hyundais because they're easier to take. Las Vegas, Nevada. What you looking for, lady? Yeah. A couple Kia boys are seen running from the popo. Yeah, check her out. Hey, put that back. New Orleans, Louisiana. Yeah, they're so bold. So this pirate just pulls up right in front of this white truck. He doesn't care if the owner is right across the street having lunch. He just jumps out and goes for it. These guys are bold. I mean, I'd assume that was the guy's truck across the street.
Did he get in that truck? Wasn't there a dude that got out? Yeah. Where'd he go?
Hey, kid. Excuse me, sir. Do you want something?
Yeah, what's up, man?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
Hey, my bad. I was just chilling.
Park your left.
Huh?
Yeah, a homeowner caught this guy sitting on his porch, but he wasn't having it. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Yeah, better look out for those strays. Shreveport, Louisiana. So this two walk up to someone's house saying that they have a missing dog. Yeah, all that's cool. The dog is cute. But why you got a mask on? Why you ringing my door late night with a mask on, buddy?
Is your dog? You got the ring. Push that bit. What?
You better take that mask off before you come over ringing my doorbell at nighttime, buddy.
You got it. We done came to the wrong house. Where you got us going?
Are you ever sitting here? Is they sleeping?
Is your dog?
Why would you do that? Say open the door.
Open your door.
Yeah.
Let's try the next house.
Nah, that's not my dog. Get lost! Rochester, New York. Some Kia boys are setting up. Yeah, they see a Kia Optima right in the driveway, and they go for it. Yeah, they love those Kia Optimas. Meanwhile, in North Las Vegas, this lady's still wiggling doorknobs. This is your house, lady. Get lost! Rochester, New York. Looks like he painted on his eyebrows or something. Hey, what are you doing? Another Ring doorbell thief. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Instant karma for this thief who tried to steal this guy's trailer. Obviously, he didn't latch it on properly. Yeah, that's what you get. Now get lost! Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Check her out. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. A couple Kia boys are inside of a Kia van, but the alarm goes off and they get spooked. Run away. Waukesha, Wisconsin. So this lady rings our neighbor's doorbell late night saying that she needs to borrow $15. Let's see what happens. What would you do? Would you let her borrow $15 at this time of night? Leave your comments below.
Oh.
Oh, hi. I'm a neighbor that lives behind you.
Uh-huh.
I'm having a little problem. I'm wondering if I could. I live in that gray house behind you. I have a dog that has seizures, and I'm wondering if I could borrow $15 from you until the morning so I can cash my check from Energy Assistance and pay you right back. Because he's got a seizure medicine, and he seizured on my bed tonight. He peed all over. That's okay. But he's that big yellow dog that always comes by the fence. And I don't know if you could help me. I get it first thing in the morning.
Oh, we don't have any cash on us. I'm sorry. We don't have any cash on us.
Okay.
Dania, Florida. Yeah, there was a light tornado that went down last night in Florida, and this homeowner shared this footage. It's currently flooded in some parts of southern Florida right now. Evergreen Park, Illinois. Yeah, there's good people out there. So this lady came by to return a missing wallet. Good for her. Phoenix, Arizona. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. This guy walks up to a homeowner's house with a big brick and throws it right through the window. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So this guy's creeping around this homeowner's house, but she gets a notification and she has a few words for him. Let's see what happens.
Hello?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
I'm looking for Jeremy. Jeremy lives here?
Who?
Huh?
Who are you looking for?
Jeremy. Jeremy?
No. Jeremy, we don't have any Jeremys at this address.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, no worries.
Alright.
Meanwhile, in North Las Vegas, the doorknob wiggler is back for the 3rd time. Meanwhile, in Rochester, the Kia boys go for it. They got the Kia Optima, and they drive off. But the owner of the Kia has some words for them before they take off. Yeah. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow.
What are you doing? Hey, I'm calling the police right now. Put the car back. Put the car back. I'm watching you and I'm calling the police right now.
Yeah, those Kia boys.
I got your number. I have everything. I'm calling the police right in this moment. I have all your information.
Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members-only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.